Sometimes in Excel you will end up with data like this, possibly exported from another system where you have got headings but blank cells below those headings. So here we can see region and it's only listed once and the blank to the end of the region and employees in each region. So you might have one or multiple employees but again blank below those employees. This is fine for reading the list. If you want to work with the data, perhaps filter it or sort things that you need to fill these blank cells. Here's a quick way to do that. First, we will select column A and B where there are blanks. Then go to the Home tab, go to the Find and Select, go to Special. In the Special window, click on Blanks, then click on OK. Now all the blank cells are selected and we are going to put in a very simple formula that just says gets the value from the cell above. So type an equal sign and then press the up arrow on your keyboard. Now you can see the formula here now has changed to B2. To fill that formula into all the selected cell, press the Ctrl key and then tap Enter. That put that same formula into all the selected cells. Now we want to change these formulas to values so that we can move things around without having the values change. So I am going to select it, columns A and B. Where we filled the blanks and the point to the border of what is selected. You will see a four-headed arrow there. Press the right button on the mouse and drag slightly to the right. Then drag back to the way you started. Let go of the right mouse button. Click values only. So now everything is here in a value instead of formula. So now you can sort or filter without any problems. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video to others and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.